The second of our longer vowel sounds we could represent by a double E. This sound is E. It's like the name of the letter, E. This might be used in words such as beat, peak, leap. Again, you will notice that it doesn't always come as a double E, but the sound is exactly the same. Often this will come as an EA sound, for example with leap or beast. This sound we make again by flattening out the mouth, big smile, E. The letter I that we discussed earlier was pronounced I. This is almost like a stretched out version of that, E. So that's the second of our longer vowel sounds.